Hey, this is Stan from Certified Collision Works, and I just want to give you a few tips if you've been involved in an accident, okay? Never leave the scene of the accident, okay? Don't leave the scene of the accident. Make sure you stay at the scene of the accident. Make sure you get photos of where the accident took place and of your vehicle and the other person's vehicle, okay? Next thing is gonna be, don't post on social media a picture of your car. Like a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll get in a wreck, and the moment they get in a wreck, they'll get outside their car, they'll take a picture of it. And what happens is people start to comment, hey, are you okay? Do you need anything? And if you reply, hey, yeah, I'm okay, I'm fine, don't worry. I'm just a little shooken up, I'm good, don't worry, whatever. Their insurance will use that against you and say, hey, well, the day of the accident, you said you were okay, and now your back hurts, right? So don't post on social media anything crazy, because they can use that against you as evidence that you are okay, okay? The next thing is gonna be, make sure you make a police report. If I haven't said that, make sure you make a police report no matter what, because that's gonna allow you to exchange information and get their information if you go through with the claim process, okay? Nowadays, everybody wants to pay out of pocket because they don't want their insurance premium to go up, but whenever it gets to that situation, you don't want them to ghost you at the end, you don't want them to back out at the end, and then you're stuck with the wrecked car, okay? The next thing is gonna be, what was the next one? Never admit fault, and never make a statement to the other person's insurance company, because as soon as that person makes a claim on their insurance, they're gonna contact you for a statement, okay? You never wanna make a statement until you decide exactly what you're gonna do, and until you're working with a repair shop that has a game plan, okay? If you've been involved in an accident and you're like, man, everybody's giving me all this different information, I don't know who to trust, I don't know what information is correct or not. We have done thousands of claims. We know every insurance company. We know the process. So don't let the insurance company trick you and say, hey, if you take it over there, you're gonna have to pay out of pocket, or they're not gonna warranty the work. That's all lies. If you're dealing with a claim, give us a call. We can help here at Certified Collision Works.